Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the upcoming launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone. So in this video I am going to share you about the Galaxy Z Fold 2 launch details, its design and its specs and features. So first of all, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone is an upgrade of the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which is launched 2 years back. Now this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone is also an foldable device, and it is almost similar to the earlier launch of the Galaxy Fold. And the Galaxy Z Fold 2 might be launched in the Galaxy Unpacked event along with the Galaxy Note 20 series, but it's not 100% sure. In case if the Galaxy Z Fold 2 not launched during the Galaxy Unpacked event, means instead Samsung will announce the launch date of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone, and it may be earlier of September month, and it will be available for the sale earlier of the October month. Now in terms of design, as I already said, this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is an upgrade from the Galaxy Fold, and it is almost similar to the Galaxy Fold, but in the front display this time Galaxy Z Fold 2 as comes with the full view display instead of the small cover display as like in the earlier launch of the Galaxy Fold smartphone. Now the front display as comes with the 6.23 inch full HD plus display, and the display is actually Super AMOLED display, and it comes with the 60 Hz refresh rate, and this display as comes with the 2267 into 819 pixel resolution, and the display is based on the punch hole styled design, and the front display has the design of punch hole style to house the front camera. And after opening the Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone, and inside the main display as comes with the 7.59 inch full HD plus display, and this main display is also a Super AMOLED display, and it comes with the 120 Hz of screen refresh rate, and it has a 2213 into 1618 pixel resolution, and this main display is also a punch hole styled design display. Now moving around its camera specifications, the front camera as comes with a 10 megapixel, and the main front camera specs is not still confirmed. And then moving around the rear side, here it has the almost similar design as like the earlier launch of the Galaxy S20 Plus smartphone, and it comes with the rectangular camera module, and inside the rectangular camera module triple cameras are equipped, and having a 12 megapixel of main camera, and in addition to that 16 megapixel of ultra wide angle camera and a 64 megapixel of telephoto lens. So these are all the camera features of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 smartphone, and most camera features and its specs will be revealed soon, and we'll share the more details of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone in the upcoming videos. Next, this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone will be powered with a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, and it will be combined with a 256 GB of storage and 512 GB of storage, and it will be having a 12 GB of RAM memory. And then this time the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone will equip the side mounted fingerprint scanner to unlock the Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone. And finally, in terms of battery, it powers with a 4365 mAh of battery, and it supports up to 25 watts of wired fast charging. Also it supports 15 watts of wireless fast charging and 15 watts of wireless reverse fast charging support. So design wise it's almost similar to the Galaxy Fold, but this time Samsung brings the full view display at the front display, and the main display as comes with the punch hole style design. Also the front display is also a punch hole style display, and apart from that Samsung has improved some of the camera features, and it equipped with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. So these are all the features and design of the upcoming launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone, and it might be launched on August 5th or on earlier of September month. Now what you guys think about this Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone? Let me know in the comments below, and if you guys like this video, hit the like, and if you guys still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, means hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.